In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix perspective in Lightroom Classic. So you've captured a fantastic photo, but when you get back home and take a closer look, the perspective seems a bit off. Maybe those majestic buildings look like they're leaning backward, or that serene horizon isn't quite as level as you remember. Fear not. Lightroom Classic has some fantastic tools that can help you correct these perspective issues in just a few quick steps. First, let's get started by selecting the photo you want to correct. Once you have your image chosen, navigate to the Develop module in Lightroom Classic. This is your main workspace where you can make all sorts of adjustments to your photos. Now, let's focus our attention on the Transform panel. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to perspective correction. In the Transform panel, you'll find several upright mode options. Let's go through them so you can choose the best one for your photo. The first option you'll see is Off. This means no automatic correction will be applied, which can be useful if you're planning to make manual adjustments later on. Next, you have Auto. As the name suggests, Auto will automatically correct both vertical and horizontal perspective issues. It's a great starting point if you want a quick fix. Following that, we have Level. This option specifically focuses on leveling the horizon, ensuring that horizontal lines are perfectly straight. It's particularly helpful if you took a stunning landscape shot and need that horizon line to be just right. The next option, Vertical, is fantastic if your photo features buildings or any other vertical structures. It corrects only the vertical lines, making it perfect for architectural shots. Now, if you need a more aggressive approach, the full option might be just what you're looking for. It corrects both vertical and horizontal perspectives aggressively. Just keep in mind, this option might result in more cropping of your image to maintain the composition. Lastly, we have Guided. This is an incredibly powerful tool that lets you take full control of the perspective correction. With Guided, you can draw your own guides along lines or edges that you want to align vertically or horizontally, giving you precision and flexibility. And there you have it. With these options, Lightroom Classic provides you with a range of tools to address perspective issues in your photos. Whether you're looking for a quick automatic fix or need the precision of manual guidance, you're now equipped with everything you need to make your images look just right. So go ahead, dive into your library, and give these tools a try. You'll be amazed at how much a little perspective correction can enhance your photographs.